Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you guys a brief overview on the Theta Edge node. Before we get started, be sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and also comment down below. The Theta Edge node client has been updated quite a bit since I made a video on it about several months ago on how to earn T-Fuel. For those of you guys that haven't seen that previous video, I'll be sure to leave the link in the description. So some of the updates that they've done to it is now you're able to watch live streams that are happening in the Theta Edge node. The Theta Edge node streaming service is completely different from Theta.tv. So with Theta.tv, you have to create an account and hopefully, from my understanding, get approved to become a streamer on the Theta.tv. However, if you use the Theta Edge node, you're able to start streaming, no questions asked, which is pretty cool. And also, what I find pretty amazing is that the Theta Edge node is a decentralized streaming service, so whatever you're streaming won't get shut down. And yeah, and when you're in the watch category, you're able to click on different channels. Think of this like your Twitch.tv or your a live streaming service, one of your favorite live streaming services. So let's say I want to click on crypto prices. You're gonna be given the title and should fetch you the streaming or the video. And all this is done live. There's a chat. Let's just say I want to say hello. There's me right there. And yeah. So under watch, there's broadcasts, which you yourself, you're able to stream on the network. And I'll do a more in-depth video on this part. Don't worry. I'll probably upload one sometime this week on how to fully do it, which is not that bad. Yeah. Now, under where it says cache compute, under cache compute, you're able to share not only your bandwidth with other people. And for those of you guys who don't know what bandwidth is just the volume of data that can be sent through the internet measured by time, which is calculated in megabits per second. So not only that you can do that, you're also able to share your computing power to the network. And Theta has partnered with Foley in the Home, so you guys can process medical data for them, and in return you get paid out in T-Fuel. Now, there's different levels of difficulty. Typically, the harder the job, the more T-Fuel you get. So on the top right, you click on Edge Compute. You go to power mode. There's light, medium, and full. Now, this is just based on complexity. So depending if you have a beefy computer, you could run full or medium. From my understanding, full and medium utilizes your processor and your graphics card. Versus if you run the light, it uses your processing power, not your graphics card. And maybe sometime in the future, I'll show you guys a computer build, what I'll be doing to render out more T-Fuel. And beneath the Edge Compute, you're also able to do video encoding. So for those of you guys who don't know, what video encoding is, you're just processing video. Now with people wanting to watch stuff in 4K, 8K, it takes a lot of computing power just to render it out. Now, not only that you're able to process medical data, you're able to render out video for other companies. So possibly YouTube, Netflix, Amazon that have videos that they want to share to their customers. You're able to process that data for them. Now, maybe in the future, big companies will hop on board, which is pretty amazing. So, whenever you do a video encoding, you'll roughly get paid out 0.8 to 1 T fuel. And the encoding takes about 5 minutes to complete or so. And all the earnings will be paid out to an address that you made, that a wallet address that you created, which is pretty cool. Now, beneath on the pre-elite edge node, you're able to stake T fuel now. So the minimum amount is 10,000 T fuel, and the maximum amount is 500,000 per elite edge node. So let's say you have 1 million T fuel, which that's pretty crazy. You're able to have one computer staked on the maximum amount, and you're able to have another computer running elite edge node. So you're able to have multiple computers staking it, which is pretty cool. And also, let's just say you have 10,000 T fuel. Whatever you get out of it when you earn your interest in T fuel, it automatically gets added to your stake. So let's just say, for example, you get 1 T fuel. Now, instead of you having 10,000 T fuel, that 1 T fuel is going to be added. So you're going to have 10,001 T fuel added to your stake. So you're going to be continually adding T fuel over time, which is pretty awesome. And yeah, that does it for this video for right now. I hope everyone has an awesome day. Be sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and also comment down below for any questions you may have. And yeah, have a good one.